All right, Lou Sports Lino Man Over Market, and this is December 15th, and this is the end of the day recap. I got a cash chart here on the board. Looks like the low today in the cash was 1982.26, which touches on what we were looking for. It looks like 1981 and a quarter. Let me see what that low is. 1982. It looks like this is just touching on the 38.2 retracement. Looks like there's a little room to go, almost the 50% here. Um, but I also could see it firming up right here. You see these bottoms here? So that was the ticket of the tape on that one today. And the cash, we started out 1,600 points higher. I thought this was going to be the week we're going to start taking everything back. But obviously, the price of oil is screwing up the world, I guess. Um, let's pull up a. All right, here we go. There's a profile. I got it on a 4-hour profile. Day chart. So it's 2047 half. Here's our low today. All right. I'll bring this profile in. It tells us a little more here. So after we made the low down here at 1870, 1974 half, we staged a pretty good rally. The mode closed today here at 1987 and a quarter. I had put up a day chart, thanks to Chris Kahn, sent it over to me. That shows that 1986 half on a day chart is the mode from the lows in low in October to the current highs. All right, got a bunch of single prints to deal with tonight. 201 and a quarter up to 205, and then we've got 206 up to 212 half. I will have them marked on the chart in the morning for you. Um, this looks like it may have a little bit to go on the bottom. Not sure, but very surprising that we didn't turn this thing around today. I was very surprised. Um, if we go to the chart today, it's a day chart. So we spent, I mean, after we put the range in the low, we spent legitimately from between, we went up and we tested twice now. We tried up to take the 5 minute pivot up there at 1955 half, failed, went back down. Uh, we couldn't take this area out anymore. I was looking for this 8075 to come out, that swing low, and we couldn't take it out. And so we spent a majority of the time between right here, 1986 half and 1992. I mean, look at all this time we spent there. Was it 5, 10, 15, 25, 30? We spent well over, let me see, from 11:30 on to the close. So spent a lot of time there in the consolidation, which also you can see here when you take a look at the chart. Look at all the body we built here. All right. So um, let me pull up a day chart. I think, did I just show you a day chart? I think I did, but I wanted to see. Excuse me. Yeah, there's the day chart right there. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be where we were in July. Let's take a look at that date. Um, oh, I'm sorry, October 10/19. So, 10/19, and then we got down to the low. So this is where the market broke from last time, and when we went down and made the lows in October. So we're sitting right about there. I mean, right there would be 1961 area. So I don't know about you, but I am really shocked that the market is behaving this way. Now, the other thing we got to remember is December 19th is expiration, and as soon as they go off the board, I'm the happiest guy in the world because these things don't trade like with the volatility. Today it was up and down, back and forth. So let me see what we got going on tomorrow as far as news. Okay. Economic calendar. Oh, the FOMC meetings begin tomorrow. You got the Goldmix store sales. Housing starts at 8:30. Red Book. PMI manufacturing index flash at 9:45 in weekly auction. FOMC meeting tomorrow, and then June and Wednesday FOMC forecast comes out. So, kind of surprised we're down here. Kind of surprised we're down here. We know that Janet and the Fed around the world is committed to stimulus and to stop recession. So I guess there's a couple schools of thought on the oil right now. In fact, here's an oil chart today. So oil made a low down here, $55, 55.03 in the futures market. And so a couple schools of thought are that the OPEC countries are driving the price down because they want to get it to the point where we can't produce it and are profitable. So, with our fracturing wells, I think they're talking about $60 oil is the cutoff point between. I've heard different numbers between 40 and 60. The biggest thing is not getting it out of the ground. The thing is, transportation. The other thing is that it can't be bad for the consumer, but the consumer, when you look at the oil prices are going down, but commodity prices have gone up. So I don't know if that's going to be a wash, but it beats both of them going up, and I really think that the oil prices help us a lot better. Should stop shopping the market for airline stocks and so on because they're going to be getting a windfall here with the price of oil at $50. All right. So with the FOMC meeting, with all the sell-off that we've had, I've got to believe there's going to be some balancing tomorrow. There got to be some balancing tomorrow. So we'll see. I think usually when the meeting starts, we talk about it's going to be a slow day, but based on all the action we've had, I can't give you that. All right. So this is an awesome trade today. I mean, honest to God, all you had to do is keep selling rallies as soon as we went up and we got outside of value. That was it. couldn't even get back up in there. So, all right, everybody. I'm looking for more balancing tomorrow, and then we got the results on Wednesday. All right, everybody, have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.